Hi guys, so I ordered NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette in Bright and the packaging is pretty decent. It was somewhere around 1750 rupees and I waited for discount for like a month, but I realized this product is never on discount, so I finally caved in and ordered, and I'll be recreating this look first, and there is also a swatches of entire palette at the end of the video for you guys. I wasn't able to pack that yellow shade. I had to go in with a different brush which I normally use for shimmer shade. Even after layering several times, the color is not showing up on my skin. Pigmentation wise, I'm pretty disappointed in this eyeshadow palette. This is my first palette from NYX and I actually like so many other NYX products, but well, total money waste on this eyeshadow palette. I guess I shouldn't have bought it, but there aren't enough options for rainbow palettes in India, and the ones that we have are extremely cheap brand that don't even share ingredient list, so I don't find those safe. But well, Nika return policy won't allow me to return it after the swatches, so I guess I just have to take the blow. So final verdict, this is this is the worst palette I own. There is no pigmentation, it's patchy, it's not blending properly, no buildable coverage. I wish I had spent this money on pack eyeshadow or literally any other eyeshadow that I own from brands.